Every week,
MLG Daniel Sensei
gave the rules that he and I decided.
Gentlemen, welcome to
Homework Folder Tutorial.
the first rule of
Homework Folder Tutorial.
is you do not talk about.
Homework Folder Tutorial.
Second rule of
Homework Folder Tutorial.
is you do not talk about.
Homework Folder Tutorial. Have you guys ever, after a long day, feeling a little bit funky, want to get swiggity swooty? Oh yes baby, you are going into that fruity moody, and then your family goes, oh hi you're all nichanananan. Jokes aside, let's solve this problem XD. First we are going to create a test folder on D drive. Then create a new txt file, call it whatever you want. Now copy the sus backer code, I'll link it in the description. Don't worry ladies and gentlemen, this code won't blow up your computer. What you want to do now is to change the type your password here to your own password. Let's make the worst password 1234. Save the file and close it. Now my dears, it's time to change the file extension to BAT. After you click it, a locker folder will automatically create, and if you click it again, you have the option to lock the folder. Type Y. And by entering the password to unlock the folder. However, we don't want to let other people see this prompt. In order to remove it, change the file extension back to txt. Now we remove the line, enter password to unlock folder. Save and quit. Change the file extension back to BAT. Let's test. Now, you can see the prompt no longer showing anything. Very handy dandy sugar candy, XD. Now my dears, I will show you why this password folder is not 100% safe. And a solution to fix it. Let's create a folder, the one and only homework folder. Wink wink, and put some study material inside. Oh yes baby, the study material to pass the exam. Am I right boys and girls? XD. Now, what we want to do is go to properties. Change the folder to hidden. Apply changes to this folder, subfolders, and files. You might think this is safe, but actually no, it is possible to search the content inside the folder. Type homework on the search bar. And you'll see this is no good my dudes. So what we going to do is go back into the homework folder at the top. Go to view and click options. Click the view tab and then click on don't show hidden files, folders or drives, then click apply. Windows 10 is buggy as heck, just click it again until the homework folder is gone. Now let's test it. Go back and search homework, the homework folder will no longer appear. XD. Now you can lock it and try it again. Nothing will show up on the search bar, just remember to delete the search history. In order to reopen the study material, go to view and click options, click the view tab, and then click on show hidden files, folders, and drives. Then click apply until the homework folder show up. Now you can access your study material. And when you think your homework folder is secured, let me tell you, it is not. If anyone clicks on Edit with Notepad++, and oh good heavens, they will see all the code and your password. But my childs, never fear, MLG Daniel Sensei is here. Now we will go the extra mile and encrypt the file. Search on Google, HXD. This is a free software that allows you to edit the hexadecimal of a file. Click on downloads. What we want is the English version. Click on download per HTTPS. After you download the program, unzip the files at whatever location you want. Run the installer file. I already installed mine on D drive. After the installation, open the HXD execution, drag and drop your password bat file into the program. Don't fear my dudes, now I will teach you how to mess up the notepad codes. What we want to do is create this hexadecimal values. Copy and insert these values to the start of the file. This will be enough to mess up the notepad code. Click and save. Then close the program. Delete the back file. We don't need this backup file. Now, if we check and edit the code in Notepad++, we will get this gibberish text that only the computer can understand. And now you might think, what in the heaven, Sir MLG, will this crap works? Fear not my childs, you can still enter your password, and the locked folder can still open. Now unless they watch this tutorial and reverse engineer the hex code, it's not possible to read those gibberish text. XD. Now for more silly security tips, name this password bat file into something serious, like window.bat, and of course we don't want the key next to the locker, so hide the key in some other random folder, or you can hide the file in your USB, or even funnier, hide in system32 folder haha XD. Just copy and paste the key back to the same folder to access those juicy study materials. Now for some more stupid test, open CMD. Type D: to go to D drive. Copy your folder directory. Type CD and then the directory to get to the folder location. Now if you try to search the directory using dir, you won't be able to find any hidden folder. You can see the content only after you unlock the folder. I can see the end inside. 3, 2, 1. Hardwired. I hope you learned something from this stupid tutorial XD.